In this video, we'll explore the benefits that come with your YouTube Premium membership and show you where you can find them on your Premium benefits page. First, let's go over what's included in your YouTube Premium membership. As a Premium member, you experience a YouTube that is ad-free, where you can download videos to watch offline and watch videos uninterrupted in the background, even when you open another app. Premium members also get access to YouTube Music Premium, our dedicated music streaming service with over 100 million songs. YouTube Music Premium is also an ad-free experience that lets you enjoy music whether the screen is locked or you're using other apps. Use the YouTube Music app to download your favorite songs, artists, and albums to enjoy anytime. The YouTube Premium membership gives you more control over your YouTube experience with exclusive access to features like queuing on mobile devices, smart downloads, and premium controls. In addition to an uninterrupted experience and greater control, Premium members experience higher video quality, the ability to connect with friends and family through Google Meet live sharing, and premium after parties to engage with artists and creators they love. Now, let's check out the Your Premium Benefits page. This page allows you to see what your YouTube Premium membership has to offer in one space, making it easier for you to make the most of your membership. To get to the Your Premium Benefits page on your desktop or mobile device, click on your profile icon. Next, tap the red P symbol that says Your Premium Benefits. Then, you'll be taken to a page with all of the benefits that come with your Premium membership. Use this page to get a full picture of how Premium's offerings have improved your YouTube experience, like knowing your YouTube watch time that was ad-free, uninterrupted, and offline. You can also explore new features and promotions that come with your Premium membership. Check out a replay of an after party, a Premium-only live stream with musical artists and creators, redeem exclusive offers, or try out new features before they're released to the wider YouTube community. Now, let's discuss how to make the most of your Premium experience. As a Premium member, you have exclusive access to features that create a seamless, uninterrupted experience and more control over how you watch YouTube. Queuing allows you to take control and handpick the set of videos that you want to watch next on your phone or tablet. The Smart Downloads feature makes it easy to always have a set of videos to watch when you're on the go and don't have a reliable connection, such as on a plane or on the train. And beyond that, Premium controls give Premium members larger, dedicated playback buttons for when you're enjoying videos that are audio friendly, such as podcasts and interviews. YouTube Premium also helps you connect with your friends and family. With Google Meet live sharing, Premium members can invite someone to join in and watch a YouTube video together, even if they're not a Premium member. To learn more about the benefits that come with your YouTube Premium membership, check out the articles in the description. Thanks for watching.